Pete here with some big news from the Small Business Administration, or the SBA. I actually just got off the phone with them and had them answer a couple questions. Most important question, well, there's two. There's actually a bunch. Okay, most important question, the PPP loan and the $10,000 grant, the EIDL, Economic Injury Disaster Loan advance, are both portals are going to be live today. So if you did not see my video on that, you may want to check the description. But basically what you're looking for, if you want to type it yourself, I will have the link in the description on how to apply in the video, but it's covid.19relief.sba.gov. That's actually going to take you to this page right here. But if I were you, I would save that, check it multiple times during the course of the day. I was not told what time, even though I asked. I said they do not know exactly what time the portal will be live, but once it's live, it is first come, first serve. When they run out of funds, if you did not apply, you're dead in the water. Basically, that's it. So that's the $10,000 economic injury disaster loan advance, as well as the loan program involved there. And I will have the easy way to apply, as well as the video explaining it in the description if you want to review that. I would recommend reviewing it, because if you don't know how it works, now you're sitting on the website for a long time. Sometimes these websites kick you out. If you take the time to watch my video, you'll know exactly what you need and exactly how to apply. And then, of course, when the portal goes live, you're good. You can apply, and it'll take you 5 minutes. Their website used to say it takes 2.5 hours. Yes, it might take 2.5 hours if you're not ready. Next would be the Paycheck Protection Program. I'm going to go over this link last, but if you didn't know, a lot of banks like Wells Fargo, Chase, JP Morgan, a lot of banks were accused of shuffling applications and applicants. Some people said they went to the bank with printed applications, because I actually recommended doing that if you wanted to do that to make it easy. The bank told them to come back in a couple days. They would call them. If you tried to apply online for certain banks, I know Wells Fargo, I can't speak for the rest because, of course, I'm a Wells Fargo customer in the past. It would say, put your information here, we'll contact you. And basically it didn't let you apply. They were prioritizing, it's alleged, I should say, they were prioritizing big companies and not small businesses like you and me. So there's lawsuits. But anyways, going past that, if you want to apply now online, PayPal, I'm going to have this link here. You can apply with PayPal. It's very easy. And this is an online application. Another company here, Cabbage. You can apply online with Cabbage, Kabbage, very easy. Another company, lendingtree.com, so you can apply with LendingTree. The one thing I want to remind is a lot of Fintechs will allow you to apply, and they do it online, but I actually tried to apply with a Fintech, could not get through on the phone, and they had a problem with the application. The application, once you typed it, it wouldn't allow you to change it, but it said confirm everything's correct, but it didn't have an edit. So I'm not saying that's the same with all of them. Also, if you want to work with a local bank, I am going to have this link here for the SBA. Instead of calling all your local banks and finding out that this is difficult, the Paycheck Protection Program has participating lenders. There's this link here. I'm going to put it in the description, so you can just download the list, or actually it's by state. So no matter what state you're in, you'll be able to see if your local bank is participating. A lot of community banks, credit unions, they are participants. So if you'd rather call someone local and work with somebody local, you can do that. But the other thing that I would recommend doing, regardless of any of this, is look at my video on what you have to do to apply while you're waiting for the bank, because it tells you the paperwork you need and everything. The easy way to apply video will be in the description, and then choose your fintech or choose your local bank. because the funds are going to be available today, Monday, April 27th. When they run out, there's no guarantee that there's going to be another round of funding. It's expected, actually, we're reopening America, so I would almost think that there's not going to be any more rounds of funding, but who knows? There's no guarantee because the impact of the economy and because of all the states' laws are different. In Pennsylvania, you're well aware we have a quarantine and a lot of businesses are shut down. And some other states actually didn't do that, and a lot of businesses are still operational. So don't want to get in that politics side, but if this helped you out, smash a like button. And keep in mind, if you open the description in YouTube, you'll be able to look at the other links. And you may have to, if you're watching this on a different channel, you may have to click that to get those links. So smash a like button if this helped you. Share it with a friend if you want to help somebody else. And good luck in these uncertain times. I hope this suits you well, and comment if you have questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Questions. The questions that I was asking them. If you have more than one business and you apply, is that going to affect your application? Okay, originally I was told it does not affect your application. They're supposed to be processed at first come, first served basis. But I want to keep in mind, and I'm not telling you I did anything wrong because I read over everything. I spent the whole weekend doing it, and I applied with 2 different businesses I own, and neither one of them have received funding yet. So, and I've been told by other people who had the $10,000 EIDL, they applied about a week after me and they got their funding already. The lady with the SBA said she can't comment, she doesn't know why, but that's not how it's supposed to be. So I'm waiting, and I may try to contact them again because I actually wanted to get this video out to you first. It is not supposed to affect it. As long as you have 2 different tax ID numbers and they're 2 separate businesses, they are actually supposed to be able to get the funding, and they're not supposed to have a problem with one or the other. They're not supposed to delay it. So, but if you submit the same application twice, it is actually supposed to delay it. So that's the one thing you want to keep in mind with the EIDL. If you submit the same application twice, they did say it would get delayed because they have 2 applications. That's why I kind of think their computer system is a little messed up, because it does ask for your personal social security number. And I'm thinking it's hitting that even though you have 2 tax IDs that are different for the companies. But that's my opinion. They're telling me that is not true, by the way. It should not be like that. So for both these programs, the information's in the description. That was one of the most important questions people are asking. Keep in mind that it's Monday the 27th. Both of these programs are going to accept applications today. So I would look at the other videos or do whatever research you have to. Contact your local bank, one of the Fintechs, or go to the coronavirus COVID-19 website for the EIDL. Smash a like button, share this, and have a great day.